What's up, FLI family? Welcome to FLI Capital, the home of FLI Algo. I'm thrilled to have you here, and I want to start off by thanking you for choosing FLI Algo to be a part of your trading journey. Our goal is to help you execute more profitable trades and reduce risk from our algo signals of entry, stop loss, and take profit levels for any ticker available on TradingView. To get started and connect to our powerful indicator, follow these simple steps. First, head over to wap.com and log into your account. Next, click on the logo at the top right to access your account settings. From there, go to Connected Accounts and add your TradingView username. Take this one final step to ensure that you receive the indicators by going to wap.com/hub to claim your trading indicators. Once you've done that, we'll send the FLI Algo indicator directly to your invite-only script folder under Indicators on TradingView. From there, you can easily add it to your chart and start using its advanced features. Now that you've added FLI Algo to your chart, let's talk about how to effectively use it to maximize your trading success. Our algorithm is crafted to capitalize on market trends in the average true range, to pinpoint trending moves within stocks. To achieve the best results in catching entries on these trending moves, it's essential to use Heikin Ashi candles. These candles help smooth out price action, making it easier to identify trends. The sweet spot for finding great intraday swing trades is by setting alerts on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frames. This allows you to stay ahead of the market and be ready to capitalize on potential moves. One key aspect to remember is not to front run any trade. The algo will alert you when the direction changes. So if you miss an entry, simply set an alert from the trend change and wait to be notified. If you receive a long or short signal but don't see an entry point, don't panic. The indicator is simply waiting for the candle to close bullish or bearish to confirm the entry. This patience ensures you enter trades at optimal times. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to me in the indicator help channel. Now that you understand how FLI Algo works, go ahead and set an alert for your next trade. Sit back, relax, and let the magic of FLI Algo help you achieve your trading goals. Let's get it, y'all.